Shut up and sit down.
What's up, folks? Welcome back to Fishing with Ryan. Today we are at Tuttle Creek State Park again, dragging the right planer board, left planer board, and then one off the back. Today I'm working probably 10 to 15 feet of water. Seem to be finding the bigger fish and the shallower stuff. It's like late June, pretty warm. Blue cat's coming off the spawn, channel cats too, I think, and they are hungry. Hopefully you saw I got the most shad big shad I've ever caught. It was ridiculous, all in one net. So that was the best feeling in the world. Put some out on the lines and I've been catching some fish, so definitely having a good time with the planer boards. I have this back camera out right now on that planer board, so I'm going to show you what a good fish looks like when it strikes one. Pretty exhilarating. And then hopefully we can get on to something bigger too. So I'm at 9 Kansas Master Angler Awards right now, which is the award you get for catching a fish at certain lengths. Blue catfish 37 inches or bigger, channels 33 inches or bigger. So I need one more and I'm in double digits, 10 Kansas Master Anglers. I hope it happens tonight, but if it doesn't, that's fine. Still catching some good fish out here, having a good time, and it's gorgeous. Can't have too many complaints. Stay tuned, see what else we come up with. Alrighty folks, that's definitely 4 fish over 30 inches in about an hour. The last 3 were all 31. The middle 2 channel cats, they fight hard, good time. And this dude is a blue cat, he's about 31. 10, 15 pound, probably close to 15 pound fish, really nice, fun to fight, better to eat. Anyway, I wanted to mention one quick thing with the planers. I got some good questions after my first planer board video. There are 2 reasons to use the planers. First, and less important, is they're a good strike indicator. So you saw that earlier when it'll bob down, and the flag usually kind of pulls, makes it a little nicer to see if there's a fish on there or not. And then second, and more importantly, is that they get the lines out when you're dragging or drifting. Catfish. Back to boat. He is reminding me that he's ready to go back. Is that fish? Not too shabby. Sayonara. There he goes. So yeah, 2 reasons to use the planers. One, they get your lines out. As you can see, this one's pretty far out, that one's pretty far out, which helps a lot to not get them snagged in each other. And then 2, a strike indicator, so that makes it pretty nice. All in all, big fan of dragging, big fan of the planers, folks. Hopefully you learned something about the way I use them, why I use them, and saw how effective they are. I'm going to try to stay here for a little bit longer, try to get another fish or 2, give that action if it comes. Either way, very good time, again, using the planers. Thanks for watching, folks. See you later. For now.